Yeah, let's take a look. I got my trusty sidekick over here, Harrison. And he has slime. What color is that slime?
Purple.
Purple slime. Is that your favorite, or do you like green? And then we got one more. And one other one. So 4 pairs of shoes.
Whoa.
Harrison's gonna help us unbox them. You can tell us which one you like best. Yeah.
It's orange.
These are super orange, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, and if you guys actually want to buy these right now, Adidas has them 40% off. Link in the description for the code. 40% off on the OZWEEGOs. So I will have a review of these coming up in the next day or so. What else? What's in this one?
So guys, so you know what? It's a black shoe from D.A. From shoe boxes to 10 to shoes.
You're right. It is a size 10.
Yeah.
You're right. This is James's. The guy's name on this is James. Come here, Maddie. Maddie wanted to join too. Maddie just started learning how to walk, and I just dressed her. This is Dad's work right here. In Harrison's shirt because I didn't have a shirt for her. This guy's name, Harrison, the guy that owns these shoes that made them, his name is James. Isn't that cool? But he's not number 5 like Thomas and the Train. It says the volume 4, the 4th version. So this is the new James Harden volume 4. And you want to see the other ones?
Yeah. Hey.
There you go.
I'm to open it.
Let's open it up.
Let's put that slime here.
Yeah, slime goes over there. Maddie, what do we have in here? Ooh.
So guys, so you know what? It's a white shoe from 6 hours from ago. Let's wait for these ones for a long time, and now they're here, and now they're finally here.
We finally got them.
Yeah, we finally got them, these white shoes. But you know what, guys?
What's that?
But Dad, you know what?
What's that?
Guys, you know what? Boys and girls, you know what? Dad has too much shoes. See yourself? It's mega huge. Dad has too much shoes, boys and girls, and this self. He has too much. I'm so sorry.
Too many shoes.
I'm so sorry. Can I have it?
Yeah, you want to wear it? Oh, man.
So guys, I look a cool dude.
Cool hat, bro. Yeah, so these are Pharrell. You know the song Happy? He's the one that makes these shoes.
Oh, look, it's H in my name.
Yeah, H for Harrison. And then the last pair. Dun-dun-dun.
I like those, Harrison.
Yeah, these are the new street balls. Street ball.
Harrison, tell
Look
me
at
the
the
colors
crazy
on those
colors
ones.
on these.
So guys, so you know what? So guys, so boys and girls. So this is a rainbow shoe and made from pink, orange, and green with yellow stripes.
It's called a street ball.
So this shoe is a squeak pea.
Street ball.
Squeak pea from mile and hours. Yeah. Bye-bye, boys and girls. Have fun with your shoes. Bye.
Thanks for the help, Harrison.
That was awesome.
You are such a good helper. I really appreciate you helping. And Maddie's trying to help too. Is this how I wear it? Like this? That didn't look right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is your favorite shoe?
I like this one and this one, this one, this one.
No, but what's your number one favorite?
Which one you like the most?
This one, the rainbow.
You like this one the most because
Yeah.
of the rainbow colors? Yeah, that's a good call. I really like the colors in that one too. This is my life every day without YouTube, so you guys know. Just a little glimpse into the chaos around the house. Well, most of the time I try to do these videos after the kids are down for sleep, but today I figured I'd include them in the video. If you guys like that, maybe drop a like. Alright, so I'm going to be doing a detailed review on all of these shoes that you guys see out here. That was the purpose of picking them up because I really want to do reviews. Leave a comment in the comment section which shoe out of these 4 you guys want to see a review video of first. The Harden 4s, Street Balls, the Pharrell Solar Hues, or the OZWEEGOs. And again, these ones are 40% off right now, only for a couple more days. The code is available, so definitely worth trying to pick these up. That's why I got them. Honestly, I thought it would be a really good pickup. And I love this colorway, so review on these coming soon too. But leave a comment which one you guys want to review on. The kids and the wife are down here playing in my room, and so I'm going to go ahead and let you guys go. Thank you for stopping by and watching. Have a great rest of the day, and more videos very soon. Peace, guys.
This is a very new shoe, pairs full of rainbow, so you can get a shoe like this tutorial video if you want to. So if you like that so much, click here if you want to play golf, and